So we have our wind damaged shingle here on the left side or east side of the roof. I've labeled it as wind, which was documented during the adjustment. Already torn. We're going to have to manipulate shingles 1, 2, 3, and 4 to be able to remove the shingle. So the shingle is, up under these other 4 shingles. So I'm going to remove the shingle. We got this shingle left over from when Mr. Dickenson had his roof done. So I think until been sitting in the garage, got a little weathering on it, but overall newer shingle. At least it'll be better as a temporary repair for now. So I get started on loosening this up. So I got my 5-in-1 tool here, and get started at loosening the shingle above, which is already kind of loose already. So good there, ready. And start up with loosening number 2 here. Keeping this 5-in-1 tool nice and flat, just not try to do any other additional damage. Here. Oh. Alright, let me come in real quick. So I've already got a little bit of a tear right here. And the shingle just being so brittle coming across. Right. And other side here, try to open this properly, loosen up. We got number 2 loosened up now. Ready to go for 3. Already kind of loose. Some granular coming off just due to the age of the shingle. A little bit more tearing down here just from the brittleness. Once again, trying to keep this blade nice and flat as to not do any additional damage. Number 1 loose, number 2, 3, a little bit further. Yeah, the shingles are just brittle, falling apart here. Stop there, I think I can get this out successfully. So now I'm going to use my pry bar to remove the fasteners here. First fastener out. Second fastener out. Shingles are kind of brittle, their nail head's just kind of pulling right through. Sure these out so I can install that other shingle properly. 3 is out. And 4th fastener. As well. Alright, now coming up here to remove these. So we're pushing here. and shingles are kind of tearing around the nail head just from the brittleness and age of them. I'm just going to try to take my time. Be careful with these. One more here. Remove our damaged windshield. Alright, so our shingle right here should just slide right on out and hold everything. That's good there. Quick comparison. Just sure we're working with the same shingle that we got out of Mr. Dickinson's garage. So we're good there on size. Now we will come back in. We're going to slide our new shingle up here just to make note again. Just from lifting these shingles up a little bit, we're getting a little bit of chipping, the tear from the using the 501 tool. Alright, the shingle fits in there just fine. Got a little bit of rust here from it sitting in the garage, but you can definitely see the color difference with my shadow not in the way. Grab some new fasteners here. Alright, so we're going to lift these shingles up to install this new one properly. I have to go up 2 course rows. I'm going to try to lift them as little as possible just so I have enough striking distance to come down and install those fasteners. Up. Reach out. First one in. A little breakdown here on the shingle. Not creasing, but once again, just trying to lift the minimum. Let's get these in securely. Second one. Third. Fourth. Last one over here. So even right here on my number 3, you can see a little bit of a breakdown where the chalk wore off. Breakdown here, a little bit on number 2. Additional tearing or breakdown here on number 2 as well. Once again, just try not to lift these too much. Alright, now I'm going to lift number 1 to install our next row of nails or fasteners. third fastener here. Two more and we'll be done getting this new shingle put in. And one more here on the end. All right. Take that back. So we've gotten our replacement shingle that we got from Mr. Dickenson out of his garage when they did this roof previously. You can obviously see a little color difference here. We've had, shadow out of the way, some breakdown along the edge of the shingle from unsealing. You know, the number one didn't have that because it was already unsealed from wind, just didn't have that creasing. But now from lifting it, you can see evident sign of it being lifted. I mean, you know, as minimum as I could. Number three, we got some breakdown here where our chalk disappeared, tear. You know, number four did all right. And you've seen a little granular loss when you tap on it just coming off. But, you know, this time we can seal down these other couple of shingles around this, but this isn't gonna make for a sound solution on all four sides to be replacing these shingles. And, you know, we've already got wind damage on all four sides right now. Sitting up here on top of a hill, he's pretty exposed to a lot of the high winds here in Frankfurt. So we appreciate your time. Thank you very much.